Good morning. Well, you can see the oil chart in front of you, the weekly oil. Last week we made a new high and we went up to 76.90. Let's have a look and see what impact that had on the monthly chart. And there you have it, a 0. But if you see what it did, as soon as it hit that 61.8 fib, which is at 76.43, and we got to 76.90, but you can see how quickly that rushed lower. Now what I've done on the oil is I've put on a monthly oil pivot, and that's taken in the month of September, and that comes in at 71.28. Can you see oil really did not like it up there? It really didn't. And I did say to you last week, oil may extend, which they always do, because you've always got people who don't look at longer term charts. It may extend on the top side, but as soon as it did, it got hammered back down. So let's go back to the weekly now. Now we've seen this monthly oil chart and why it retraced so quickly off of the monthly level. I mean, keeping that monthly to 71.28 for the rest of October isn't going to be a problem. I'd still keep my eye on that level. So at the moment on the weekly charts we're sitting below the weekly pivot, which is coming in at 74.73. So we're keeping our eye on that one. Okay, we've got the 9-day period average coming in at 69.15, which is just about on that 23.6 at 68.75. So just keep your eyes on this sort of area here. Don't forget to put your fibs on the monthly chart because they're really important at the moment. Now the uptrend that we've been seeing since, oh dear, you've seen that May, June, you know, this line has kept it in check, and this today this line is coming in at 66.08. so there's your uptrend line. All right, I think possibly this is going to draw us lower. I do think that today you've got the stochastics that are poised to trade lower. That is bumbling along on the ROC. The RSI is showing to go lower as well. So let's have a look at the daily chart, see if we can see. Now, this bit is what happened on the monthly chart, alright? Hit there, didn't like it, straight the way back. Now, we are below, as I said, the daily and the weekly pivot. We are turning lower. If we do turn lower and we do not break this today, not that I expect a great deal that happens on a Monday, but if we do not break this, you know, the only way for oil is down. We've gone below that previous high, coming in at 75.27. We're below it. We're below everything. Anything we're not below are the moving averages. But then we accelerated so far against them. And if you look at the short-term moving average, that's coming in at 74.04. So, you know, we're below that one at least. We've still got the 21 and the 55 day, we're not taking too much of the moving average on the 200-day yet, because it's not anywhere near any levels. So although we can look at 66.75, it's really not it's not going to happen today. So at the moment we're trading at 73.83, so there is a chance that we can go up to that pivot. I think we've already done it. Oil overnight has been 74.58. So as far as I can see, we've already done it. If we stay below that 74.04 moving average and we stay not above it, then I think we're coming down to this 72.09, 71.76 area, and I think that'll be either today or tomorrow. Okay, take care. I'll catch you tomorrow.